If you're juggling multiple emails, like work, personal, maybe a side project, yeah, it can get messy fast. In this full guide, I'll show you how to manage multiple Gmail accounts efficiently without losing track of anything. First, click your profile icon in Gmail, then hit Add another account. Sign in with your other email. Once added, you can switch accounts instantly from the profile menu. Just click Jump between them. Quick tip, open each account in a different tab. That way, you can manage everything at the same time. Your first logged in account becomes the default. This matters when opening links, so choose wisely. Inside each account, use labels and filters to keep emails organized. This reduces confusion between accounts. If you want everything in one place, you can forward emails from one account to another. On your phone, the Gmail app lets you manage multiple accounts easily. You can even view all inboxes together. Set different notifications for each account so you know which email is coming in. Finally, keep a clear purpose for each account, like one for work, one for personal. This keeps everything simple. And yeah, that's how you manage multiple Gmail accounts efficiently. Once it's set up right, switching between them becomes super easy.